As Samsung continues to push the boundaries of smartphone technology, many are wondering if their Galaxy Fold series will eventually replace the flagship S series.
Yeah, really.
With its groundbreaking foldable design and innovative features, the Galaxy Fold represents a bold new direction for Samsung. But will it be enough to dethrone the iconic S series? Let's find out in this video. Samsung's foldable phones, also known as the Galaxy Fold series, are a line of cutting-edge smartphones that feature a unique folding design that allows them to transform from a compact device into a larger tablet-like screen. With a flexible display and hinge mechanism, users can easily fold and unfold their phone to fit their needs, making them perfect for multitasking, gaming, and content creation.
Cool, that's cool.
These devices are equipped with the latest technology and features, such as powerful processors, high-quality cameras, and 5G connectivity, offering users an unparalleled mobile experience. Samsung's foldables represent the pinnacle of innovation in the smartphone industry and have opened up a new world of possibilities for the future of mobile devices. Recently, Samsung's mobile division chief, Ro Ta-moon, made a bold prediction about the future of foldable phones and the role they will play in Samsung's product line. But with growing competition in the market, can Samsung achieve its goal of dominating the foldable phone industry? Stick around to find out more about the exciting developments in the world of foldable devices and what it means for the future of mobile technology. At Unpacked, the CEO of Samsung's mobile division, Ro Ta-moon, reaffirmed his conviction that foldable smartphones would represent the company's future and that over the next 3 years they may become more popular than the Galaxy S series. The South Korean company has been making significant investments in its Flip and Fold series, and they have discontinued the Note series in favor of foldable devices. This endeavor has met with some degree of success. The company currently controls a sizable share of the foldables market. By 2025, Samsung anticipates that foldables will account for more than half of the company's premium market share. Ro Ta-moon made a statement to the press that by 2025, foldable items will make up more than 50% of Samsung's total premium smartphone shipments. He predicted that foldable telephones would soon become the industry standard. However, in order for Samsung to reach its 2025 goal, it must acquire a larger share of the mid-range market and give people a foldable option that is more budget-friendly. It is worth noting that in the last year, the demand for foldable devices has grown by 300%. Last year, Samsung announced that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 have seen sales surpass the total accumulative sales of Samsung foldable devices in 2020 in just 1 month.
Impressive.
Despite its domination in the foldable phone market, Samsung will have contention from companies such as Oppo, Xiaomi, and Motorola. Recently, Xiaomi introduced their foldable, the Xiaomi Mix Fold 2, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Motorola also created their Razr 2022, a foldable phone with a flip foam structure. Are foldable phones the future of mobile technology? It's a question that many are asking, and the answer may surprise you. Later, we'll explore the possibilities of foldable phones and whether they have the potential to replace traditional smartphones. Stick around to discover the unique benefits and drawbacks of foldable phones and how they could impact the future of mobile devices. It seems conceivable that Samsung would lower the price of its foldable flagship handsets in order to encourage more people to purchase and use them. Foldables are transforming and reshaping the mobile market, and Samsung is leading that evolution, says T.M. Ro, president and head of MX Business, Samsung Electronics. In light of the fact that Samsung is currently on the 4th generation of its ultra-premium phones with the Galaxy Z Fold, the Z Flip line offers a more approachable entry point into the market for foldable smartphones. The fact that Samsung predicts that foldable smartphones will become the standard in 3 years indicates that the company takes a forward-thinking approach to this technology. As a result of rumors that the Fan Edition phones won't be manufactured any longer, there is speculation that Samsung will decrease its focus on the S series. This speculation is based on the fact that the Fan Edition phones won't be produced any longer. Ready to dive into the world of smartphones and discover what makes them so unique? Don't miss out on our exclusive video discussions. Subscribe now to join the conversation and stay up to date on the latest advancements in mobile technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the future of smartphones, our videos will provide valuable insights and information you won't want to miss. The possibility of foldable phones replacing traditional smartphones in the near future is an interesting concept.
It's interesting.
At the moment, foldable phones are definitely more expensive than traditional smartphones, and they are not as widely available as traditional smartphones. However, the technology of foldable phones is advancing rapidly, and it is possible that they could become more commonplace in the near future. Foldable phones offer a unique experience that traditional smartphones are not able to provide. They are a great way to get the benefits of a tablet and a smartphone in one device. Their large screens offer a great viewing experience for watching videos or playing games. They also offer the convenience of easily folding them up and taking them with you wherever you go. The cost of foldable phones is still a major factor that will prevent them from completely replacing traditional smartphones in the near future. However, as technology continues to improve, the cost may become more affordable. The public's reaction to the Samsung Galaxy Fold has been mostly positive. People are excited about foldable devices as it offers something new and innovative. It is a revolutionary device that has never been seen before, and people are eager to try it out. The features of the Galaxy Fold are impressive, and people are particularly impressed by the large 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display and the cameras. The device also offers a good battery life, making it a great option for those who are often on the go. However, some people have expressed concerns over the durability of the device, as its foldable nature may make it vulnerable to damage. Additionally, the price tag of the device has been a point of contention, with many people feeling that it is too expensive.
Those things look really expensive.
Some users reported that their Fold screen would flicker or turn off for no apparent reason. It has been reported that after a few days of use, the display screen begins to flicker, which causes users to have problems with the device. This issue has been brought to Samsung's attention by a large number of users, and the company has since issued a statement saying that it is actively looking into what may have caused the issue. The flickering happens whenever the device is opened and closed, and it looks like a thin line of flickering near the hinge. This happens when the device is opened and closed. It is not entirely clear what is causing the problem. However, Samsung is most likely investigating the possibility of problems with either the hardware or the software that are causing the display to malfunction. Some users reported that the foldable hinge on their Fold was breaking down or not working properly. Users have reported problems with the device's hinges, with some units experiencing broken hinges shortly after being unboxed. To address this issue, Samsung has implemented measures to ensure the hinge durability of the Galaxy Fold. For starters, the company has reinforced the device's hinge area with a combination of different materials, such as metal and plastic, to improve the device's durability.
Wow, that's great.
Additionally, the company has adjusted the protective layer on the device's display to prevent debris from entering the hinge area. Samsung has also offered a warranty of up to 1 year for Galaxy Fold devices and has provided a free repair or replacement service for units that have experienced broken hinges. The company has also released a software update to improve the device's hinge performance and durability. The Samsung Galaxy Fold, the world's first foldable smartphone, has been plagued by reports of creasing issues. Reports of creasing on the device's display have been reported by some reviewers and users. The creasing is caused by the plastic screen folding in on itself, leaving a noticeable bump or crease in the display. The creasing issue is most likely caused by the device's design and its use of plastic for the display. Plastic displays are more prone to creasing than glass displays, which is why the Samsung Galaxy Fold is experiencing this issue. To address the creasing issue, Samsung has asked customers to be mindful of how they use the device and to avoid putting pressure on the display. The company has also said that they are working on a software update that will improve the durability of the display. In the meantime, users should take extra care when handling the device to minimize the risk of creasing. The device should be opened and closed gently and should not be subjected to any force or pressure. We'll climax this by presenting you a comparison of the two most recent renditions of the Galaxy Foldables, specifically the Flip counterparts. The Flip 4 builds upon the achievements of the Flip 3 and presents a very smooth flagship-level experience. You should watch this video to get an idea of the generational leap that Samsung takes each new version, evident in that from Z Flip 3 to Z Flip 4. We believe you'll find this video very informative. We'll see you another time.